Hi students, this is Sarya. Welcome back to Arshida's Edu World. Let us continue the chapter Determinants for Class Plus 2, NCERT and SCERT syllabus. Today, on this session, we are going to learn for order 3 by 3. Okay. Consider first element. That element is in the first column and first row. So just eliminate, delete the remaining elements other than except A11 on the first column and first row. So remaining element are deleted. Minus 1 whole 1 plus 1 A11 into the remaining determinant. That is A22, A23, A32, A33 plus next we are going to consider A12. Okay. When we are considering the A12, these are in the first row and second column. First row 1, 2. The first row and second column. So just eliminate other elements except A12. Minus 1 here 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 into A12, that element, to the this one eliminated. Remaining elements, find out the determinant of the remaining elements, that is A21, A23, A31, A33. See, next consider the third set. We are going to consider to find out the determinant for order 3. Next, A13. Only this except A13, all the elements in the third column and first row are eliminated. Remaining plus minus 1, here is 1 and 3, 1 plus 3 into A13. The remaining element, find out the remaining element of the, find out the determinant for the remaining elements, that is A21, A22, A31, A32. From this, we can easily find out the value of determinant of A of order 3. Okay. See, how can write this one as minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 2, minus 1 whole square means 1 into 1, that is 1 into A11. Determinant of this one is this into this minus this into this. So A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Here see, minus 1, 1 plus 2, that is 3, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That means minus 1 into A12. Here A21 into A33. A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31. Okay. Next one is minus 1 the whole power 1 plus 3. That means 1 plus 3, 4. Minus 1 the whole power 4 is plus 1 into A13, A21, A21 into A32. A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31. Okay. We'll get the answer as A11. Just multiply inside A11, A22, A33 minus A11, A23, A32 Here minus 1 into A12 is minus A12, A12, A21, A33 minus multiply inside, that is will get the answer as minus into minus plus A12, A23, A31. Here we'll get plus, just multiply A here and here, A13, A21, A32 minus A13, A22, A31. Students, just pay attention on this part because negative sign is in the middle part. So just while doing this session, just remember that here this is the minus, and just and should apply this minus on inside the bracket. Okay, let us solve this question. Yes, here see, we have to find out the determinant of this matrix A. Let us start. Yes, here we have to consider first element 1. The determinant A can be denoted as here. The determinant of A can be denoted as this, and 1 in the first place, A11, that means minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 into this determinant 1 minus 3 4 minus 9, and the next element, eliminate second column and first row, that will be plus minus 1 into all power 1 plus 2. So remaining elements 1, 2, minus 3, 5, minus 9, and remaining element. Here is the 1, 3, 1 plus 3 into minus 2, here into 1, minus 2, the determinant is 2, 1, 5, 4. Okay. From this we can easily find out the answer. See here, 1 minus 1 the whole square is 1. Just to do this, 1 into minus 9, that is minus 9. 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12. Minus of minus 12. Okay. Here minus 1 will get minus 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 1. Here 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. Here minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. Okay, all clear? Bracket and minus should be clearly right. Okay, you should write the minus symbol and bracket clearly. Okay, plus 1 into minus 2 into 2 into 4, that is 8. 8 minus 5 into 1, 5. Here we'll get the answer as minus 9 plus 12, right? Minus into minus plus, minus 18, minus into minus plus 15. Here minus 2, 1 into minus 2, 2 minus 2, minus 2 plus into plus, that is minus 2. 8 minus 3, that is 3, right? Next step is minus 9 plus 12, that is plus 3. Plus minus 9 plus 12, that is plus 3, minus 18 plus 15, that is minus 3, minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. That will be equal to 3 minus into minus plus 3 minus 6 will be equal to 3 plus 3, that is 6 minus 6 will be equal to 0. The determinant of the matrix A is 0. All clear? I hope you understood this session. Please try to do the remaining questions given in the textbook. If you are having any doubt, please comment me. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.